Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OSTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the crazy day today, earnings, and you can see the market loved it. Massive volume, nice price movement. So a lot of eyeballs on this one headed into Friday, myself included. So I just want to map out a couple of key levels from the technical point of view. And the first level that I think a whole lot of people are going to be watching, myself included, as far as areas of support, are right here around the $74.50 mark. And this is an area where you're going to have a lot of people wondering, especially the shorts, that if the price gets down there, hovers around, and then breaks to the downside, that could very well create some downside selling pressure. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that's what's guaranteed to happen. My core point here is that's at least a valid, it's at least a rational thought to have. But you also have to keep in mind that that is still going against a very strong overall trend. So when I say downward selling pressure, I don't mean in the sense of, and therefore this thing's going to go back down to $60. I don't mean that at all. I mean, it might just need to pull back enough to retest this previous breakout point, which was down there right around the $70 mark. But I mean, from a trading standpoint, that's plenty of wiggle room there to potentially construct some sort of profitable trade. So those are going to be the two main areas of support to watch going forward from the from the support side of things. As far as areas of resistance, the level that everybody's brother's uncle is going to be watching is right up here at $78, and we'll just call it 50 cents. Again, by no means is this some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, everybody that plays breakouts is going to be watching, wondering, can the price actually get up above that level? It's got rejected several times. So again, guarantees don't exist, but it's at least a valid and rational thought to have that if the price can work its way up there and then get through it, that could very well create just that much more upside buying pressure, maybe cause that many more shorts to cover. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, overall, some very well-defined technical areas, and I know I'll be keeping an eye on this one on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.